Now, my darling wife ran out of diesel today in this van. If you've ever wondered whether or not a low diesel light comes on, it doesn't. Okay, so luckily we managed to put some diesel in and the van started, but this video is all about how to sort out a stiff or sticking steering that you may notice over time. A common problem with these Mazda Bongo vans is that the steering starts to get stiff as the universal joints start to get stiff, and one very quick fix is to get yourself some WD-40 silicone spray and spray the universal joints. And if you look down there, you can see the universal joint turning, and we're just going to spray it. An awful lot easier doing this with two people. So that is the universal joint there, and just sprayed that with WD-40, the silicone spray, and you'll find that frees things up. Another universal joint here, which we've sprayed for good measure, but it's usually the one underneath that gets all the weathering. A can of the WD-40 silicone spray will cost you about £7 from Toolstation. If you actually want to replace the part, or the silicone spray doesn't do it for you, there's a variety of places you can get Mazda Bongo, Ford Friendee parts from. I've always found that the cheapest place is these guys here, parts.vospers.com. You'll pay about £79.95 for the part from these guys, and they sell a whole variety of other useful Mazda Bongo parts.